powerful military force in the history of man.
Get up, Private Allen! Rangers lead the way! Move! Keep up the pressure on those RPG teams! If that bridge layer gets hit, we're swimming water! Allen, switch to the M203!
Warlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting air strike to Red 252171. Target is a white 12-story apartment building. Over.
Knock some rounds on the Rock River!
Hunter 2-1, this is Warlord. Solid copy. I have Demo 1-1, flight of 2, F-15s online, stand by for relay. Hunter 2-1, this is Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, time on station 15 miles, holding at 3 Sierra Northwest, holding area 9, carrying 2 J-Vans and 2 Harms, over. Standing by.
Devil 1-1, target is a white 12-story apartment building at Grid 252171. Need you to level that building. How copy over? Up on the bridge, far side!
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1. Rolling in now. Target acquired.
Bridge complete! We're Oscar Mike, move out!
Let's go!
We're Oscar Mike, move out! We're moving out now! Load up, let's move out! Move! Bridge complete! We're Oscar Mike, move out! We're moving out! We're Oscar Mike, move out! We're moving out now! Load up, move out!
Allen, get in! Which building is it, sir?
It's all on 1 o'clock.
Hey, which building?
The one at 1 o'clock.
Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right?
On the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
This is one of the
Hunter 2, breaking away.
Copy, Hunter 2. All Hunter 2 Victor. Keep an eye out for civvies. We're not clear to engage unless they fire first. Stay on the rooftops, the hostiles. Stay frosty.
You see anything?
Got nothing, dude. This place is dead.
Overlord. Hunter 2-1. We're passing Tunnel Harley. Cross Street Elizabeth. Roger that, Hunter 2-1. Proceed with caution.
Alright, stay frosty, you guys. This is the Wild West. Watch those alleys.
3-foot mobiles. Balcony, 12 o'clock. Probable militia. Are they armed? Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All Hunter Victors. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to
to top floor! Move! Move! Get a flashbang in there! Keep it together, 2-3. We're on the way. 2-1 out.
Come on, guys! Front of the school! Take him out!
On me, let's go! Hunter 2-3. Hunter 2-1. We're in the school. Heavy resistance.
Copy that, Hunter 2-1.
Down the staircase. Keep moving. We need to take the heat off of Hunter 2-3.
Yeah, I'm coming through history class now.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-3. Thanks for the assist. We're leaving on Hunter 3's Humvee. Over.
Roger that, 2-3. Contact. Down a dog. through. Actual to Overlord.
Hunter 2-1 actual, this is Overlord. Send traffic.
The school is secure and hostiles are withdrawing from the area. We're just mopping up now.
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceed with caution to the rally point. EPWs may still be in the area, over.
Roger that, Overlord. Thanks for the tip. Out. Squad, watch for enemy stragglers. Let's get to that rally point.